Stop paying hundreds of dollars for expensive video subscriptions or stock footage platforms. Today, AI video generation has evolved so rapidly that you can create cinematic, hyper-realistic video clips directly inside your web browser for free. Whether you need realistic camera movements, complex character motion, or dramatic physics simulations, these top-tier free tools give you access to production-grade artificial intelligence. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will reveal 5 incredible platforms, test their performance with identical prompts, and show you exact settings to maximize your daily free credits without entering a credit card. Let us jump right onto the screen and start creating. First on our list is Luma Dream Machine. To get started without paying anything, head over to lumalabs.ai and click on Try Dream Machine. Sign in with your Google account, and you will instantly receive a generous allocation of free generation credits every month. On the main interface, click the prompt bar at the bottom. Type in your prompt: cinematic pan shot of a futuristic sports car driving through a misty rainforest road, golden hour lighting. Next, click the enhancement button to let Luma optimize your prompt. Hit generate, wait about 60 seconds, and look at this result. Notice the realistic motion blur, realistic light reflections on the wet asphalt, and flawless camera tracking. Next up is Kling AI, famous for handling large, complex physics and full body motion. Navigate to klingai.com and claim your daily free login bonus points. In the generator interface, click on Image to Video mode. Upload a clear portrait photo, then navigate to the Motion Brush Settings panel. Drag your brush over the character hand and background ocean waves. In the text prompt box, enter, hand waving gracefully while ocean waves crash gently in background. Set the motion slider to level 4 to keep movements natural. Click Generate and examine the preview. Kling AI renders full 1080p resolution without warping human limbs or face structures, making it unmatched for free dynamic motion. Our third top generator is Hailuo AI, also known as Minimax. This platform excels at creating photorealistic atmospheric scenes with natural lighting dynamics. Go to hailuo.video, sign in, and head to the Creation tab. Hailuo gives you free daily generations with 0 watermark options. Type this exact prompt: extreme close-up of an elder craftsman carving intricate wood patterns in a sunlit workshop, dust particles floating in light beam. Select the camera option and click slow zoom in and hit create. Look at how Hailuo renders skin texture, wooden shavings, and atmospheric dust without muddy artifacts. It produces cinematic quality rivaling paid Hollywood software completely free. Fourth on our list is Pika 1.5. Visit pika.art and log in to receive free recurring credits. Pika stands out because of its built-in special effects and granular camera control suite. Click on the camera parameter button below the prompt box. You can manually control pan, tilt, zoom, and camera rotation strength. Type: drone aerial shot flying low over turquoise ocean reef, vibrant coral visible through clear water. To make it pop, click Peak Effects and select the inflate or melt effect if you want creative surreal visuals. For clean realism, keep effects off, set motion to 2, and press generate. See how smooth the water movement is without jitter. Fifth is Runway, an industry titan. Head over to runwayml.com and set up a free account to receive 125 non-expiring free credits. Navigate to Generate Video and select Gen 3 Alpha or Gen 2. Runway offers one of the best motion brush tools available. Upload a landscape photo, click Motion Brush, and paint over the flowing waterfall and trees separately. You can assign distinct directional vectors, set water vector down to -3 and tree vector horizontally to +1. Click Save and generate. Watch how Runway realistically isolates motion elements so the water falls naturally while foliage sways in gentle wind. Now that you know the best free tools, here is the secret formula to get flawless cinematic results every single time. Most people fail because their prompts are too simple. Always write your prompt using 4 key blocks: subject, environment, camera shot type, and lighting style. For example, instead of typing man running, write medium tracking shot of an astronaut running through a dusty red Martian canyon, harsh direct sunlight, volume trick dust, 35mm film lens. Specify camera motion commands like slow pan left or low angle tilt up directly in your text. This prevents random AI warping and guarantees smooth motion across every free platform. Even on top free platforms, you might encounter common glitches like morphing fingers, floating objects, or flickering backgrounds. Here is how to fix them instantly. First, if a face distorts during dynamic movements, lower your motion intensity slider from 5 down to 2 or 3. Second, if hands look unnatural, avoid full body shots and stick to waist up medium shots. Third, if the video glitters or drops frame rate, upscale your generated clip using CapCut's free desktop AI video upscaler to smooth out frame transitions. By following these pro troubleshooting steps, your free AI renders will look like crisp 4K professional cinematography every time. To wrap up, every single tool we covered today excels at specific workflows. Use Luma Dream Machine for grand landscape pans and photorealistic vehicle motion. Rely on Kling AI when you need precise human body motion and image-to-video accuracy. Turn to Hailuo AI for artistic lighting and dust atmospheric scenes. Use Pika 1.5 when you want creative special effects, and leverage Runway for precise vector motion control. By combining these 5 free platforms, you can build complete short films, commercial ads, and social media reels without spending a single dollar. Subscribe to the channel for weekly AI video guides, and check out the description for all tool links.